Hello and welcome back to my channel. Previously in that intro, I've told you that I'm starting a new course called Create with Canva. So this is Canva and so what you'll need today is to go to the mobile device, and if you have a computer then it's the best, or a tablet will work too, or you can also use the Canva app instead of the website. So today I'm at the website. So today for lesson 1, I'll be showing you how to make your own custom thumbnail using Canva. For that, what you'll need to do is to click over this search bar and search of YouTube. So write YouTube like this, and then click on here at YouTube thumbnail. So it will be load a bit. Now, you can also click on one of these templates over here, but today I'll be using create a blank YouTube thumbnail. So click over there, and we're in here. Okay, so there's still the templates over here. Okay, so now you can also use some photos, some Canva generated photos for using that. There are many types of photos in here, some food, some people, some photography, but today I'll be using these uploads over here. So click on that. Okay, so we are here in this uploads page, and today we'll be making our own custom thumbnail by using a picture. So you need to click on the upload media before doing that, but I've already uploaded the media so that we can do it very fast. So now let's click over here at our photo, click on that, and then let's sign it by click on these sides over here. So let's resize it bigger. Okay, and it's done. Okay, so our photo is done. Now let's start by adding some text. So for adding some text, I personally recommend that you need to use this add a subheading. But if you want, you can also use these other ones as well. So let's add a subheading. Okay, so first I like to resize it like this. Okay, so now write pajamas. Then, okay, let me control the cursor for dolls. Okay, so done. Suppose we are making a thumbnail for our video, pajamas for dolls. Okay, so now let's find the color for this picture. So I'll be using purple right now. So you need to click over here for adding the color, like this. And it's done. So now let's add in some elements like stickers. Click over here to add your stickers. So now I'll be using this flower sticker over here because I really like flowers. You can also use the other ones over here as well. So now I'll be adding another flower like this and add it on the corner. And it's done. Okay, so our pajamas for dolls thumbnail is done. Now click download over here like this. Click over there, and then click a file type called JPG, and then download. So it'll be preparing your design, and it's done. So now click continue editing. Okay, so our thumbnail making is done. So this is our thumbnail. So now let's check it out on the gallery page. So this is our thumbnail today. It is our thumbnail which is ready. And now let's go to the Canva again because I'll be showing you another thing. Okay, so now we're in the Canva homepage again. So now I'll be showing you how to make your own animated intro. So for that, what you'll need to do is write on this search bar again. So now we'll be writing YouTube again. So write YouTube like this. Okay, so it's done. And then click on this YouTube thumbnail over here on the fourth one. And you're in this YouTube thumbnail page again. Now we'll be clicking over create a blank YouTube thumbnail again. So click over there. And it's loading. It's done. Now we'll be showing you some templates over there. And now we'll start by adding a background. So click on the background over here. And then let's start by adding a background. So let's click over there. This is the background that we'll be using today. Like this. Click over here. So now let's add a text. Clicking on the text page. Okay, so let's add a text. Resize it like this. And write our text. Like, let's write Anisa's world today. And it's done. Now let's click add page over here. Okay, so now add the same background again. Then add a text. This one. Write Anisa's world. And it's done. Now resize the text. And it's done. Okay, let's change the text. Okay, it's done. Now let's click over here at page. Click over there and it's done. Okay, so everything is done. Now let's go for the main part. So click on the screen here and then click here animate like this. And then use a shade or a very beautiful effect from these 6 ones. Or if you use Canva Pro, if you prefer using Canva Pro, you can use all of them. Okay, so we've clicked on our favorite one here. And then what you will need to do is to click on the screen and then you can adjust the time. So let's adjust it to 6 seconds or 3 seconds. Okay, it's done. Okay, so it is done. Okay, it's done. Now click done. Okay, so now do the same for the other pages. Okay, done. And then for the last page, you need to do it all the way down. And it's done. So now let's watch our video over here. So this is our animated intro today. And it's done. Okay, so let's animate this page as well. By clicking on the animate over here. Click on our favorite thing and it's done. Now, let's change the text color as well. So today I'll be using here purple. Oh, and we'll be using here in purple. And the second one, we'll be using blue. And it's done. So now everything is done. Now let's watch our video over here. So this is our animated intro today, which is looking very beautiful. Click close and then tap download over here. If you want, you can add some stickers as well. So now let's add some stickers as well by clicking over here at elements. And then let's use a sticker like many types of lines and shapes. You just use this type of featured stickers. So now I'll be using this flower sticker over here. Okay, then let's resize it. Put it on the corner. Oh, the text has gone resized as well. Okay, so now we'll be using another sticker in here. It's done. Or over here as well. Or we don't need to use it. And it's done. So now let's watch our sticker. I mean our animated intro by clicking over here. So let's watch. So it looks very beautiful, I think. So how did you find it? Tell me in the comment section. And it's done. Now click over here, download, like this. And then click download. It's downloading. If you want, you can also click on the cancel buttons if you want, so that you can not download if you want to give an edit as well. Let's wait. And it's done. So now click continue editing. And it's done. Let's go back. And it's done. So now there are a few things to remember, that we need to have a strong internet connection like Wi-Fi's or mobile data for doing this course, and it'll be a lot of fun doing that. So in the next class, I'll be showing you how to make your own logo. And today we have learned how to make an animated intro and how to make a beautiful custom thumbnail for your YouTube video. And tell me in the comment section that you like it or not. And your homework for today is to make an animated intro on your video. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.